All right, y'all, let's roll. We got a full detail today on this Honda. What is it, a Santa Fe? Yeah, that's exactly what it is. But, oh my God, this is only 75,000 miles on this vehicle. Damn! This is beyond me. Vehicles, they don't have floor mats. Oh, you know, they don't use floor mats. They never do. They trashing this car already. So I'm finna get them some game. I gotta educate them. So when they get back, I'm gonna make sure they go back floor mat.
Let me get that.
To protect it. This was the worst detail I've had in a long time, man.
This joint took me since 8 this morning.
Unbelievable.
Courtesy of Pristine Whips Detailing. Let me get that.